Hi guys! Good evening everyone! So, meron pala akong isi-share sa inyo regarding puncture valve. So, tara, titingnan natin kung saan yung puncture valve at ano yung working principle niya. Okay guys, let's go! Guys, ito pala yung mini-engine fuel oil pump. Tapos yung sa taas, yan yung puncture valve. Tapos, yung tinuro ko, yan yung air supply. Tapos, ito yung fuel oil high pressure. Tapos, ito yung fuel oil injector. So guys, ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung puncture valve. Ito pala yung puncture valve natin, no? Dito papasok yung